it is definitely taxable and taxable under head income from other sources, and you have to pay 30% tax on it. Next, one more important amendment is regarding the life insurance maturity benefits. Everybody is under the impression that the life insurance benefit, either the bonus or the survival benefits or the final benefits are fully tax free. But if you see the 2013 amendment, a small amendment has been made in section 1010D. It says that if the premium payment, annual premium payment is more than 10% of the policy amount, then such kind of policies, insurance policies, will not be eligible for tax benefit. Whatever the proceeds you get, it is taxable. Since the proceeds are taxable, the government wants to have a control on that. Now, that proceeds have been subjected to TDS, that is the withholding tax. The LIC or other insurance company, whenever they pay the survival benefits, either it may be bonus or the final amount, in such case they are liable to deduct an amount of 2% on the proceeds. And this is one more new amendment consequent to the introduction of the new Companies Act 2013. As per section 135 of the Companies Act, there is a concept called as the CSR, Corporate Social Responsibility. So every company will satisfy this condition, three conditions: net worth more than 500 crores, turnover more than 1000 crores, profit more than 5 crores. They should have a compulsory audit committee, and it is the responsibility of the audit committee, CSR committee, to see that the company spends at least 2% of the net profits for CSR activities. Now, the break has come from the other side. Okay, you spend it, but it is not tax deductible. So it's only an appropriation item, like you pay dividend to the shareholders. So this is a post-profit appropriation. So you can't claim it as a deduction while computing your taxable income. Now, one more biggest problem that was regarding the non-deduction of TDS. As all of you know, they are one of the monster in the Income Tax Act, that is section 40A1A. It says that whenever you make a payment which is subject to TDS, if the TDS is not deducted, that payment will not be considered as an expenditure. That payment will not be considered as an expenditure. So, assume that a contract payment, you have to pay, you have to deduct 2%. If you forget or if you don't deduct that 2%, then you have to pay 30% of that amount. So that was the case. Now a certain benefit is given. Wherever you fail to deduct TDS, instead of the 100% disallowance, the disallowance is limited to only 30% of such payments. Now regarding the tax accounting standards, the government had formulated their own accounting standard, which was called as the tax accounting standards. And again there was confusion. So which accounting standard has to be applied? Whether the accounting standard as given by the ICA or the accounting standard as formulated by the income tax. Again, the clarification has been given. It says that while drafting your accounts, you have to follow the accounting standards as given by the ICA. But while paying taxes for the limited purpose of computation of your income, so you have to apply the tax accounting standards. So there are many differences which I don't want to go down. So in such cases, first you arrive at the profit as per your profit and loss account, applying over the ICA standards. Then for the limited purpose of payment of taxes, again you have to recompute your profit based on the tax accounting standards. Now these are regarding the direct taxes. Now regarding indirect taxes, there is no much changes. Some minor things are brought here. One is regarding the baggage fee allowance. The limit has been increased from 35,000 to 45,000. Small difference. And regarding the basic rates and the customs and excise, there is no change. 10% is the standard rate for customs and 12% is the standard rate on excise. There is no change in that. And finally, regarding service tax, again certain new additions. Under the negative system, there was no need of bringing this into tax because whatever services coming under negative list, they are exempted. All other services are taxable. So again, they have made further clarification on the regarding these services, mobile advertisement, then online advertisement, so these are all taxable. Then radio taxis, radio cabs, service received by, service given by the clinical research on human participants, air conditioned contract carriage bus from Udupi to Bangalore, Bombay, Dubai bus, AC bus. Now from today onwards you have to pay 12.36% extra as the service tax. And again it's implemented from 10th, from 11th itself with immediate effect. There is one more most dangerous system under service tax called as the reverse charge mechanism, whereby instead of the service provider paying the service tax, the service receiver has to pay the service tax. Here, two more new services have been added, director services. In such cases, the company has to pay the tax, and in case of the recovery agents, the banks have to pay the tax. So these are the few important amendments made under the Finance Bill of 2014. Thank you for that.